Hi guys, I'm here today with this, which is LinkedIn Profit, and what this tool will solve your problem. Actually, LinkedIn is a perfect platform where you will get business persons, employees, job persons, self-employees, whatever. So for B2B and B2C, LinkedIn is always a best platform. And what this tool will do, this is complete extension. Okay, you will add this into the Chrome, you will install into the Chrome extension. This is, and I will tell you how to do that. Okay, I will tell you, but just because of this, you will get targeted traffic from LinkedIn, and you already know LinkedIn is already a targeted platform. So how it will look like and what type of the features and functions you are going to get inside this. So let me open this one so that till then we will discuss. See, Autopilot untapped buyer traffic from one of the world's most respected platforms, which main is LinkedIn. Okay. Now, brand new tech promote any link to the thousands of hungry buyers and all these things already available for you. Okay, so this is complete extension. Okay, I will tell you each and everything with this. What you can do, actually, you can just follow some people on Instagram so that they will follow back to you again. You can directly do some DMs, okay, because on LinkedIn you can do that. Okay, and just this features you are going to get. You can see here the ultimate turnkey business into the box for your subscribers that combines free traffic from LinkedIn. Generally people are using some tools. I am not getting the name of that tool, but because of that tool, you have to pay monthly for that, for the same thing. Okay, just for connecting to the people related to your niche, related to your product. After connecting to the people, you have to just talk with them about your services. If you are drop servicing, if you are providing drop servicing and other servicing also, so you have to talk with them, and just by doing this process you have to close the deal. You have to get some leads and all, something like that. So just for that tool you have to pay monthly, annually, whatever, but you have to pay. Okay, you have to pay a recurring payment you have to do there. But here you don't need to do that, because here you are also getting done for your monetization. Just because of this extension, 5 offers are included, okay, just for boost up your journey, which simply need to send the LinkedIn traffic in order to make money. This is for boost up your journey. Okay, plus high ticket funnel, this is again a main thing. This all things are included when you go for this. Okay, this is an extension. Okay, so you will get all inside members and all. Okay, actually this is not a informational product, so just because of that you will not get a complete inside access and all, something like that, but you will get extension, you will get front and member access also. But I'm not going much deeper with that, because that is not the main part. That is not the important thing. Important thing will be this extension. I will tell you how to download this and how to upload, how to add this extension into your Chrome. So this all things you are going to get. You can pause the screen and you can read this now. This is my special bonus if you go with this, because this is TweetX. You already know this is Jono Armstrong product, but I'm not going to give you this TweetX. I will give you great alternative of TweetX. Okay. Okay. Main problem is what many people generally say: if we will use some automation on social media platforms, so they can block our accounts and all. Okay, you are right. I'm not denying that. But if you are doing marketing, businesses, promotions, online sales, and all. So generally, don't use your personal account. Okay, keep your account for your personal. Okay, for LinkedIn, for Twitter, and for different things, Instagram and all. You can go ahead with this. Okay, just type this: buy cheap Instagram accounts. Type this on Google. You will see this type of the thing. Just for $1, you will get 999 pieces of Instagram account. So that what you have to do, you have to just use these accounts for promotional work, for marketing, for branding. Okay, for that type of the work you can use this. Okay, so on this accounts you can apply automation. On your personal account, don't apply automation. Okay, also you can go for buy LinkedIn accounts in bulk. So if I click on this, so you will get some LinkedIn account also. so that you can apply your automation on this. Okay, you can apply your automation on this. Watch what type of the automation, this extension. Okay, because it will work automatically. Okay, you don't have to do any type of the work, you have to just set and forget. Okay, so that's how you can see here. Okay, this is too much costly. Okay, just go for like this. Okay, just like this you will get some Instagram account also, you can see some Twitter accounts also, you will get this. Too much options are available here. Okay, so you can go for that. So come back on the point again. So I will tell you how to how to install an extension on Chrome. So this is Google. What you have to do, click here, just showing you a demo. Okay, I'm just showing you example you have to do for this, which is LinkedIn Profit. Okay, so come on the setting. No, sorry for that. Just click on this, click on this, more tools. You can see here more tools, click on that. Come here, extensions. When you click on extensions, uh, this window will open in front of you. Okay, you have to just on this. This is developer mode. Okay, when you off this, this option will be gone. When you on this option will be in front of you. These three options you can see here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do load unpegged. What load unpegged? You have to load your extension. Okay, which you will get from inside member access area. Okay, so I'm going to click this. I'm showing you demo for TweetX. Okay, I have TweetX, that's why I'm showing you. You have to do this for your this LinkedIn Profits. Let me open this. What one? I have or not that, guys. Just wait. Not folder. Wait, guys. Let me. I'm just trying to show you. That is why. Just showing you a demo. Where is this is here. So I'm just cut. I'm just doing this, and I'm putting it on my desktop so that I can show you easily how to do that. Okay, so now click on this. Now come on the desktop. I think I need to wait, guys, wait. This one I need, I think. So what I can do this, what I can do with this, let me show you. Extract to this specific folder. On desktop option I don't have. Okay, previews I will do this. Okay, now let me try. This is available or not? No, this is available. Now let me try to show you. So I will click on this again. Desktop reviews, and that is how you have to upload this. Okay, so select this one and see, this will come here. Okay, now you can switch off this and you can see here TweetX Pro. Okay, guys, so that is how you have to do same things with this LinkedIn Profits. Okay, this will be extension. You have to upload in your Chrome and all, and then you will get all these things. You will get inside member access area, but I'm not going with that because only informational things and tutorials are there. Okay, and only this single extension you will get from that, from there. Okay, and how to install this I already told you. Too much simple. Okay, now I'm just going to remove this because okay, let it be here, no worry. So I'm just going to close this. Okay, now this is for LinkedIn. Okay, now my bonus number one is what you are going for the TweetX. Okay, because you can get Twitter account also. Don't use your permanent account. Twitter account for your marketing, for your promotional, for your offers, branding, all these things. Okay, always use this type of the accounts. Okay, put your main account always safe with you. Now, this is my second bonus, which is JavaScript. I'm not providing you JavaScript. Okay, I'm providing you great alternative of JavaScript both for this and this. For those, for both bonuses, you have to mail me on this. Okay, so I will provide you with your receipt. You have to mail me so that I will provide you these two bonuses. This is for Instagram. Okay, because right now here you got LinkedIn. Okay, here you are going to get LinkedIn extension, Twitter extension. I will provide you as a bonus, and this will be for Instagram, so that you will get traffic from three major social platforms, and that's how you will get Instagram account. Okay, for $1 you are going to get 999 pieces. Okay, it will be fair enough. Okay, to use. Even if any good platform will block your account, you can go with another account. Okay, simple, easy. So these two bonuses will be waiting for you if you go ahead with this through the link below. And I already told you each and everything. Even if you don't get any full information, just click on the button on the main page. You will get all these things. Okay, inside member access demo video available there. Okay, so just click here. If you will click here, you will go and you can watch. Okay, so I'm done from my side, guys. If you have any doubt, you can come on comment so that I will tell you each and everything. Okay, till then, bye.